All right, quick reality check. If you tell the same, it looks the same story again, people will click off in 20 seconds. So this one hits different. All right, what's up guys? Welcome to Promotech. Thanks for tuning in. The Pixel 11 Pro leaks aren't boring. They're calculated. What looks like no change is actually Google tightening control over how your phone behaves every single day. And if you miss that, you miss the entire strategy behind this device. Let's get into it. Here's the strange part. When Google refuses to redesign a phone, it's not because they ran out of ideas. It's because they're done experimenting. The Pixel 11 Pro is basically locked hardware. Same size, same feel, same footprint. That's not laziness, that's stability. And stability is what lets them go aggressive somewhere else without breaking the experience. Now look closer at that camera bar. Fully black now. No blending, no playful color matching. Side by side, the older Pixel looks expressive. This one looks controlled. Cleaner. More serious. That's not just design, it's positioning. Google is slowly shifting Pixel away from fun Android alternative into something that feels more premium, more intentional. Almost like they're trying to compete psychologically, not just technically. But here's where things flip. While hardware is frozen, the real gamble is inside Tensor G6. And no, this isn't about beating the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra in benchmarks. That's not happening. Instead, Google is doubling down on invisible performance. Less overheating, smarter task handling, better long-term smoothness. The kind of upgrade you don't notice on day one, but you definitely feel after 3 to 4 months when other phones start slowing down. Now think about this. If the RAM really drops to 12 gigabytes, most people will call it a downgrade instantly. But Google might be betting that optimization beats brute force. That's risky, because if they're right, users won't care. But if they're wrong, this phone ages badly. And that's a reputation hit they can't afford right now. And this is exactly why I started using Wolver to track patterns across leaks. Not specs, patterns. Because once you see enough of these cycles, you realize something: companies don't repeat designs unless they're buying time. That's the real story. Pixel 11 Pro isn't trying to impress you today. It's trying to hold everything steady while Google builds something bigger behind the scenes. Maybe AI integration that actually changes daily use. Maybe a redesign they're not ready to ship yet. But this phone? This is the pause before a push. And I want to know if you see it the same way, because most people won't. Over 70% of you watching right now aren't subscribed. And this is exactly the kind of breakdown we do here. Reading between the lines, not just reading spec sheets. Because if Google is this conservative right now, what are they saving all their risk for? Take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.